Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. The days are becoming shorter and shorter. From 10th of November, your examinations are being conducted by JK Bose. You have received your date sheets. So it is 28th of October today. So only 10 or 12 days left. You must do extra hard work. You must put extra efforts to crack the coming examinations with huge margin. There is a reduction of 40%. 60% you have to prepare. Remember, it would be 100 marks question paper like the previous board examination papers, but out of 100 you have to attempt only 60, and if you attempt 60 out of 60, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Your students, even you can skip some chapters where you have no command, but after the culmination of exams shortly you must read that chapters or practice the chapters because you have to sit in competitive examinations. Dear students of class 10th and 12th, today we are dealing with the message writing, very important writing skill. Dear students, message is a simply we can say the short piece of information which you give to another person when you can't talk to him directly. The message can be both written and oral. Dear students, I am repeating the things what's message. It is short piece of information that you leave for a person if you can't talk to him or her directly. For examination, for example, if you are in school and with you there is no mobile phone and your mummy cannot talk to you directly if she has to go for some work outside her home, so she can leave message for you both orally and written. But in examination, it is the written message, the writing skill that is asked and fetched there 4 to 5 marks. So it is format is so simple. The messages should be short. It should be no exceed more than 50 words, and it should be within the box. Dear students, so your your answer paper, the sheet of the answer paper can be simply used as a message format. You have to leave a message for a person in box in middle of the your paper of your answer sheet. You have to write down in bold letters message, and on left you have to write down the date and the time. On left you have to write down the date and time. For example, you can write on left November 10, 2020, and you have to also mention the time. Dear students, after that you have to go for the salutation. For example, dear mother, dear father, dear friend, and then the body of the message. Body of the message, what you want to convey. For example, if your mother is unable to talk you because you are in school, she has to go the market to buy some clothes. She can write message for you, and when you enter in the home after your schooling, you can read that message and you will get the information where my mother has gone. The students, for example, dear, he will write down the message in bold letters On the left, you have to write down the date and mention time, and your mother can go for the salutation, dear son. And below it, she has to start. I'm leaving for Kafara to buy some clothes for you, After schooling, do come straight to home and have a tea first, and after that, you must do your homework. Complete your homework, and I will be back near about 6 p.m. Even inform your daddy about my visit to Kopara for buying some clothes because winter is approaching. And below she can write yours loving mother and can write down the message and can put the same message within the box. This is the format for the message. You can simply write down and can crack nice percentage of marks. Dear students, once again I am repeating the things. A message is a short piece of information for a person to whom you can't speak directly. It can be both oral and written. For example, if you are in school from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And your mother has gone to Kopara for buying some clothes, she can leave message for you so that after returning from school, you can have that message and will get the information where my mother has gone and for what purpose she has gone. For once again, your sheet of your answer paper is used for that. In middle, you have to write down in bold the message. On left, you have to write on the left of the sheet. You have to write the date and the time. Then the salutation in case of dear son. I am leaving for Kopara. I have to buy some clothes because winter is approaching fast. And there, when you come to this home from school, do have tea first and do complete your homeworks and inform about daddy. If he comes back at 5 p.m., that mother will be back at 6:30 p.m. This is the mother can write down a message for her son, and in below she can write yours loving mother, and can put the same information within the box. And this is how we can write down a message. It is so simple. So it has 4 marks there. This is all about the message writing. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me. The number is already lying in your position. Dear students, better is to see this format on your available English grammar book so that you can grasp the concept well. I love you all. My prayers are with you. Inshallah, you will succeed with the huge percentage of marks. Thanks. Be blessed.